My video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Rainbow Blocker. Rainbow Blocker is a special extension that is specifically designed for the Google Chrome browser. The website related to this extension is rainbowblocker.com. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it, you will be able to surf the web ad-free and safely. However, in reality, after the extension is installed into the Google Chrome browser, customers may be periodically redirected to some other questionable websites, and also they may start seeing ads not related to the sites that they visit. So the extension Rainbow Blocker actually acts totally different from what it is being advertised. If you mistakenly install this extension into the Google Chrome, we strongly advise that you get rid of it. This particular extension is also spread through fake browser update alerts, and it may also be integrated with some free programs, so people tend to download and install it unintentionally. What to do if this extension is active? Go to the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, find this Rainbow Blocker extension, disable and remove it. This should be sufficient enough to get rid of it. Now, to make sure that the system is free of other threats, I strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button, install the software, and start researching your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.